Danny Heisock here with Cohen Inc., helping people do their business better. And one of the requests that we got from a viewer was they wanted to see how well the Jabra Stealth UC headset worked. And so we reached out to our buddies over at Jabra and they sent us one. So we're going to do an audio test of this. And right now we're driving in my car. You got the AC on because it's Florida, so it's freaking hot out here, right? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll down the window and we're gonna just talk. All right. So rolling down the window, test 1 2, test 1 2. See this car's passing by here. But here we are, Florida, doing a test of the Jabra Stealth headset to see how well the microphone performs. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below, let us know what videos you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make them. Thanks.